is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have Pasquini Livia 90. It's an older model. Came into the shop. Essentially just for a tune-up. Some blockage issues and curve issues. So we descaled both circuits to the steam and hot water circuit, and then the brew circuit, and then we backflushed the machine. Basically, when we actually got to cleaning the group head, though, we found that after taking out the old gasket, which you can see is really brittle, we couldn't actually find a replacement gasket, and that's because it's an old style group head, which is no longer in production, and it's really difficult to find gaskets for it. So we talked to the customer, and we opted to replace the group head entirely. So future maintenance is going to be a lot easier, finding new gaskets, and it works just the same. It works just with the same portafilter, and yeah. I'm just going to do a test shot right here. Don't worry if it's a little too fast or a little too slow. We don't have it dialed in, but this is just testing the functionality of the machine. Looks like it's a little slow. It's alright. And we have steam, and we have hot water. And the autofill function is turning on. There we go. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.